Hey there everyone, it's me, Lauren Jackson, an APQS sales rep and educator, and I wanted to show you how to take this oyster filler and take it from being a background filler to an inline sashing design. We're going to work this design a little bit backwards from how we did the filler because we're going to make this a wider, fatter design to fill our sashing. You're going to do your 2 scallop loops, so it's just kind of a teardrop shape 2 times. And then you're going to come up, out, and around. That's what's going to make it wider, and you're going to make your wavy echoes. You're going to do this a couple times. They might have more or less echoes depending on how wide your sashing actually is. And on your final pass for your echo, you're going to come up, stop in the middle, and start your next oyster shell. Do our 2 scallops, teardrop, teardrop, and then our wavy lines. And you'll notice that as we finish our wavy line designs, we're going to come back and close those 2 scallops we left open. It doesn't matter if you left the scallop open on the top or the bottom. You can see I left mine open on both sides because you're going to pass in the middle to close them. Come to the middle, come down and around to close. Come to the middle, and then we're going to go other side, down and around, and close. Thank you guys for joining me. Again, I'm Lauren Jackson, your APQS sales rep and educator, and I wanted to share this design with you. Take care and happy quilting!